In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for email by date in Outlook. If you've ever struggled to find a message from a specific day or time period, this quick walkthrough will save you a lot of scrolling. We'll use Outlook on the web, and by the end you'll know how to filter your inbox to show only the emails from the dates you care about. First, open your browser and head to outlook.live.com. Once your inbox is visible, look toward the top of the page for the search bar. This is the central place to start any search in Outlook on the web. Click into the search bar to activate the search tools. You don't have to type anything yet, simply selecting the bar will reveal additional options that help refine what you see. Next, locate the filters option that appears with the search controls. It's often represented by a small funnel icon or labeled as filters near the search field. Click it to open a panel where you can fine-tune your results. Filters are your best friend when you want precision, and the date filter is one of the most powerful. In the filter panel, choose the date range you need. You'll typically see quick selections like today, yesterday, this week, or this month, as well as a custom range option. If you remember a general period, a preset like last week is perfect. If you know exact dates, pick custom range and select a start date and an ended date on the calendar. That tells Outlook to only show emails that were sent or received within that window. Take a second to confirm the dates are correct before moving on. When your date range is set, it's time to run the search. Click the search button or press enter. Outlook will refresh to display only the messages that match your chosen dates. You can scroll through the results just like your normal inbox, but now you're seeing a focused slice of time, which makes finding the right email much faster. If you still have a lot of results, try typing a keyword in the search bar like a project name or a subject term, and run the search again with the same date filter applied. Combining a word or two with a date range dramatically narrows things down. And if you don't see what you need, double check that you're in the correct folder or try broadening the date range slightly. When you're done, clear the search to return to your full inbox. That's it. Quick, precise, and far more efficient than scrolling. Now you know how to search for email by date in Outlook on the web.